turn that beat up, baby. Hey, which way we going, weirdo?
You stupid. Make a left.
Make a left?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I'm rolling down Sunset while the sun sets. Panamera on the runway, sounding like a jet. Going full throttle, bottle full of kush with a real thick model. In the passenger seat, sipping on Moscato, telling a friend on the phone, girl, I think I hit the lotto. Stupid gold digger, think I ain't listening. Only thing I pay is attention, I ain't tricking. Chuck Bueller, the love child of Al Bundy. I rip flow, smoke dro, and get money. So many sold out shows, it ain't funny. Shout outs to Mafioso, Free Tubby, 420, no bubbly. My honeys, no ugly in the booth, you can't touch me. I must be one of the sickest that ever did it. That's why I got so many critics. Listen.
You always act like somebody trying to hate on you. Nobody tripping off you.
Shut up, weirdo, just hand me the light.
Weirdo, you need to play some real gangster music.
Some gangster music?
Yeah.
I'll tell you something.
It's a lot of fake gangsters in the rap game. Dry snitching on track, spitting crack game. Real G's moving silence with a lot of violence. They must work for the feds the way these rappers lying. I'm just analyzing, looking at the facts. These rappers out of their mind, they must be out of whack. Or they out of raps with nothing else to say. Talking about gas with tight pants, looking real gay. I will say the sickest verses and ill ways. Every time I jump on the track, I get road rage. When my page flips, it's like the day skip. Battle me, I rock a fella on some J shit and leave you on some Dame shit. I take your name and rip you about the frame trick. You softer than a muffin with cream stuffing. Nobody really got your back, so stop frontin'.